You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, by the way, if you want to learn more names and words, vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation is as target. The R is not really pronounced in Britain. Target, stress on the first syllable, target. In American English, the US pronunciation is similar, but the R is pronounced like R. Target. American English, US pronunciation, target. Target, American pronunciation, or target. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.